In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Bitcoin in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that if you currently can't find or see Bitcoin, it is because of the broker you're currently using on MT5. So right now, as you can see, I'm inside the MetaTrader MetaQuotes demo account, and I can't actually find Bitcoin. So if I go to press up here where you can see the symbols, the symbol list, I can't actually find Bitcoin. If I type in BTC, yes, there's a bunch of things popping up, but none of these is Bitcoin USD or similar. So the reason behind this is because you basically have to switch your broker. So if you're using a broker, it doesn't even have to be a MetaQuotes or demo or whatever. If that broker doesn't have Bitcoin, it means you won't be able to find it or add it or trade it inside MetaTrader 5. So you want to find a broker which does support it. Now in my case, I'm going to use Trader's Way over here because I have a demo account already set up. I'm just going to sign in over here, and you'll see I'll be able to find Bitcoin USD quite easily over here because they support it. You could go to Google and look up, of course, a bunch of different brokers which support crypto, and of course you could just Google if they support it on MT5 as well, and if they do, you can just sign up for an account or maybe like a demo account to test things out and then connect it to MT5 and see if you can find Bitcoin. But of course, if you can't find it, it's because the broker doesn't support it. So go to the symbols up top, and of course you can check this if you are inside a broker, so whichever one you are inside right now, you can go and basically search for BTC up top. And if BTC USD pops up, you can click on show symbol, and it's going to show it over here on the left inside your market watch. And if you can find it, it means is that it does support it. But if you can't find it, it means you basically have to actually use a broker which does support it. Then you can go to Bitcoin USD, right click chart window, and there we go. You have Bitcoin over here. You found it inside MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.